All right, welcome back, fail-safe investors. Welcome to Fail-Safe. Well, if this is your first time to my page, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button. Do all of that stuff because I got a special video for you all today. We're going to talk about Warren Buffett and investing in gold. So stay tuned. Let's go. I am not a humble person. I would love to say that I told you so because I told you so. So if you've been following my page and if you've seen the video that I did about 3 undervalued stocks, one of those stocks was Barrick Gold, ticker symbol GOLD. So I've been told you. Now, this is not a coincidence, right? This is not a coincidence because everything I learned about investing, I've learned from this book right here, The Intelligent Investor, which was written by Warren Buffett's mentor, Benjamin Graham. Check that out right there. It's a little dirty, but it don't matter. Yeah, so everything I learned about how to invest, how to analyze a company, what to look for in a company, how to evaluate a company, see how much a company is actually worth, everything I've learned was in this book, which is a book that Warren Buffett himself recommends. So I definitely recommend go check it out if you want to learn how to invest. Now, I do say to people that, want to get into investing, try to learn the lingo before you read this book because it's kind of like, it is for starters that's invested, but you kind of got to know some of the lingo before you even get into this book, just a little bit. You don't have to be a professional or a novice at anything. But anyway, so yeah. So when I found Barrick Gold, based on the metrics that I learned in this book, I pretty much was able to determine that that company was undervalued. Now, the video that I made about 3 undervalued stocks I made on May 28th. I think I just looked at it like May 28th because I had to double check. So I made it on May 28th, 2020. On May 28th, 2020, Barrick Gold was selling for around $23 a share. So if you would have bought it when I recommended it, when it was undervalued, and then recently when you hear about Warren Buffett investing in it, it's like 30 bucks now. Well, I think today like 29, but it's like around 29, 30 bucks right now. So if you would have bought it at 23 and rolled it up to like 30, I think it hit like a high of 31 before it kind of like bounced back down, you would have made a 28% return on your investment. You invest $10,000 in that, you would have got $2,800 back just from going and investing in Barrick Gold. Now, a lot of the news media and all that, they're kind of like misinterpreting what's really going on. So a lot of people saying, oh, Warren Buffett is investing in gold when he bashed gold for the longest. Now, technically, he isn't investing in gold. Barrick Gold actually mines gold and they own like the mines that they pretty much mine the gold from. And they manage the distribution. They're like the Amazon of gold, pretty much. They handle everything. So that was also why I felt like this company was undervalued. So it was a lot of metrics that I looked into on this company and was like, yeah, this company definitely has some growth ahead of it. It's definitely undervalued. And it was kind of easy to tell, like, be honest with you, like, if you really soak up the knowledge in the Intelligent Investor, if you really learn it and you really want to learn it and you really want to get into investing in like valuing stocks, it's pretty simple. Like, you can find undervalued companies in almost any market. Like, I've been looking into stocks in the bull market and in a recession, and I've been able to find valuable companies that I can get a return on my money from in both markets. Now, I am not a day trader. I am not a swing trader. I am an investor, which is pretty much what this book teaches you about. Investing is finding the company that you're going to hold for a long term and just buying and buying more of that specific company, a great company. And it kind of lays out the principles repeatedly in pretty much common sense terms that you can understand why you would want to be an investor. You know, it explains about the inflation and how the market grows 7% year over year just based off inflation and other things. Like you get a 7% return no matter what on the market year over year. So it's lots of things in the book. I got another book I'm about to start reading called Security Analysis, and it's by Benjamin Graham also. So I'm gonna let you know what I think on that one and pretty much when I finish it. But Barrick Gold, in my opinion, is it still undervalued? Yes, because they have a lot of gold mines. And I mentioned in the video that I did with 3 undervalued stocks, I said that like if you wanted to get into gold without actually getting into gold, Barrick Gold would be a good bet. And then the ticker symbol, which also can push a price up, is GOLD. So you might have someone who might not know about investing, might be trying to invest in gold, not knowing that you're not actually investing into gold, but the ticker symbol is gold, and that could like literally push your stock price to the moon because a lot of companies like Zoom, for example, a lot of people were investing into Zoom, ZOOM, when the actual company that they were looking for was Zoom, ZM. So ticker symbols has a lot to do with the price and fluctuations of a share price. So that's my opinion on Barrick Gold. No, Warren Buffett isn't actually getting into gold or investing into gold. He is actually investing into Barrick Gold, which is the company that pretty much mines gold and also manages the equipment, the distribution, and all that. Everything that has to do with gold. Like I said, they're like the Amazon of gold. They are still undervalued. In my opinion, I could be wrong. This could be overvalued, but based on the metrics that I looked at, this company was already undervalued. It's still undervalued. And you can still get a nice little return on your investment. Now, tell me what you think about this video. I really want to know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below. Do you believe me or do you believe your local news saying that Warren Buffett is getting into gold after he's been consistent on everything he said for over 50 years? Or are you gonna just listen to me? Your opinion matters. So hit the like button if you like this video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and to the next one, let's get it, let's do it.